Let's check out easily the best high performance yet very affordable dual band GPS smartwatch that not only has got insanely good build quality, also a flashlight, 4 GB of internal storage for music and offline maps, but yeah, also dual band GPS, which is absolutely insane at this price. So let's check it out. Inside the box we get our watch in insanely nice packaging. So I have already used it for some time, but I tried to put it everything back as it was. So we are getting inside the box our watch here. Also it actually came with a bunch of other straps. I also received this metal strap over here. So also we are getting a nice metal strap with it as well. And another black strap here as well. Also our manual here, which is actually quite extensive here. And then also our charger, which also can be used for music and data transfer as well. When it comes to build quality, this watch is absolutely made like a tank, as the name obviously suggests. So you see how insanely solid this watch actually is. So we have full metal build quality, also very nice metal buttons and scroll wheel also. So yeah, when it comes to build quality, this looks incredibly durable. Also we have very nice, probably glass or ceramic back on it as well. And best of all, we even have a flashlight on the top of it as well. And this is what the watch looks like on my wrist. You see just how impressive it looks like. And it's actually proper big boy as well. So if you like larger watches, I think you'll actually absolutely love this. So when it comes to style and design, yeah, I mean this watch looks absolutely incredible. And also we get incredibly nice AMOLED display as well on this watch. So you see just how insanely nice the colors actually look on it. Also good viewing angles. And also in direct sunlight also it's very visible. So yeah, the panel definitely is absolutely stunning on this watch. Also when it comes to strap quality, also this watch is very impressive. I particularly actually like this orange strap. So also we have very nice buckle here. You see just how insanely premium this looks like. And we are getting 24mm straps on this one. Yeah, as you see, when it comes to the style, this looks incredibly impressive actually. And probably the best part about this watch actually is the price fit. So this company actually sent me over this watch to check it out, and also they gave me extra special coupon and discount links that you can use to get this watch for a very limited time, essentially for half the price. So the normal price actually is only $120, but if you follow the special discount link in the description and also enter the coupon code in the description, you'll be only able to get this for $60 for that price. Absolutely insane deal. And this is what it looks like with the black strap on. And this is what it looks like with a metal bracelet on. Definitely you can even wear this with a suit as well, so it actually looks mega smart. And we are even getting video watch face as well on this watch. How cool is that? So yeah, when it comes to quality and also the strap quality, this appears like it's worth like several $100s when you actually look at the build quality. So see just how insanely nice the straps are actually finished, and also the finish itself on the watch. Yeah, this looks incredibly high-end actually. And when it comes to durability, you also don't really have to worry much about this watch. So you can easily bash it around, and again, nothing really will happen to this watch. And as you see, even if the screen is completely wet, it's still actually very usable, so you can freely use it even with a completely wet screen. And let's check out all the features on this watch. Probably my favorite feature on this watch actually is a flashlight. So we can also turn on by pressing and holding the upper button for a few seconds. So as you see, maybe like 4 seconds till the flashlight actually turns on. Also we can enable the strobe mode here as well if you want to. And to turn it off, again, we can simply press and hold this, or also we can turn it off from the screen as well if needed. When it comes to runtime, this lasts for roughly 5 hours when I tested. On a full battery charge, so it gives you around 5 hours on the full brightness essentially. And let's check out the flashlight brightness on this watch. As you see, it's insanely bright. And also the spread also is very decent on this watch. So you see, it pretty much covers, extremely large area here. So you can definitely very easily see everything. For example, if you simply need to walk at night. So, yep, absolutely fantastic. Definitely the brightness is very impressive on this one. Okay, also we have the flashing mode. So this is what the flashing mode looks like. And this is brightness outdoors. So as you see, also outdoors in a complete darkness. So you see, it also can throw actually quite far as well. So yeah, definitely the flashlight actually is very impressive on this watch indeed. So in night, if you need to do something outside, so yeah, definitely the brightness top class on this watch actually. Okay, and if you swipe down from the screen, you can get access to your quick settings, where you can quickly adjust the brightness of the screen. And also see, this scroll wheel also works in any menu over here. And if I swipe either from the left or right side, I can cycle between these different tiles here. For example, the music tile, weather tile over here, heart rate tile, like activity tile, where you can see your step count, calories, distance walked, and you see it actually goes round and round, so from either side. And if I swipe up, I can get access to my notifications, maybe like WhatsApp or email or whatever you have. And if I press this upper button, I can launch all my apps. So this is what the system actually looks like. Okay, and also if I press this, I can also launch exercise as well. So we have different categories, for example, different water sports that we can start. So when it comes to waterproof rating, this also is one of the best watches out there. You see, we have martial arts, different outdoor sports, walking. So, and let's start something. You can wait for the GPS to lock on or simply start. So you see, you'll be able to see everything here. You can also see more stats here. And also you can see the map where you are. So also interact with the map as well if needed. And yep, this actually has got internal maps as well and dual band GPS. So if you swipe like this, see, you can also end it. And also we can also control our music here as well. So you see also the exercise system is very impressive on this one. Also, if I compare the heart rate sensor performance of this watch versus several times more expensive Samsung Galaxy Watch or maybe Garmin, as you see, they pretty much match up perfectly fine. So you see also heart rate actually is very decent on this one. On this watch, obviously, we can also make and receive calls as well. So yep, we even have a speaker and microphone on this watch. And when tested, actually, these are actually of very decent quality as well. So either we can select from the contacts or simply open the dial pad over here and dial a number, but obviously you will need to have your phone in range for this to work, so it doesn't have internal SIM card. So you see, once I actually press to make a call, so yeah, it essentially makes a call through my phone, and also if someone is going to call you, you also receive the call on the watch, you'll be able to answer. We have our recent calls, also the notifications, sports, also we can see the sports history here as well. So if you have done basically some exercise, you can also see it later here basically. So the duration, step count, for example, like resting heart rate, like even this like effect as well, heart rate zones here, cadence, and also the map also where you have been. So you see it also like literally draws a map, so for you as well. Okay. And also we can use this button to go back. So the activity tile here, also you see, you can even see the step count date here for the today and also for the whole week. So you see how many steps in each day you have taken as well. So your heart rate tile over here. Okay. Also this watch can also measure your sleep. Also you can check your weather here as well. Also the blood oxygen. Also we can even like create courses here as well. So you see essentially if you start these, it will give you a guide basically on different exercise. I hope you can hear basically, but yeah, so you see it actually gives you guidance for different training plans. And obviously while you also do it, it also record your vitals as well. So you see how advanced this watch actually is. So you see we have different courses here. And yep, we also have offline maps here as well that we can use. So you see we can easily like navigate here. Also like, so you see literally how cool is this? At this price, I think that's absolutely insane. Also, if you press this, you see also you can save your tracks here as well, like record. Basically, so as you start walking, it also record. Then you'll be able to like repeat and backtrack as well. And next also we have altimeter and barometer as well on this watch. So how cool is this? We probably would need to calibrate it. Also compass, and yep, we can also store offline music on this watch as well. So we have some music already on it, but also you can obviously load your own as well. And as you hear, the speaker also is very impressive on this watch indeed. By the way, if you want to transfer over the music to this watch, it's actually very simple, and we actually have to use the same cables that we actually use to charge our watch as well. So you see, it can also be used for data transfer, so you simply pop it on. So just like you would when you charged, and simply plug in your PC. Also, if you get adapter like this, OTG adapter, you can also even connect it to a phone as well. So if you have some music files on your phone, you can easily transfer over the music. Also, we can transfer over the map files as well in the same exact way. Then also we have a bunch of breathing exercise here as well. If you care about this stuff, basic calendar. Also we have voice assistant as well, but obviously again you have to have your phone in range for this to work. Also a basic calculator here as well. We can also see pictures we have loaded on this watch as well. So you can pretty much load anything in the storage of this watch. So either like pictures. Also you can even load videos as well on this watch and listen and see them after that. So I do not have anything, but maybe some promotional video here. so there's something already on it. But yeah, anyway, you can like upload any, like maybe even movies as well on this watch, which is absolutely insane. So also we have voice recorder here as well, and we even have a bunch of games available here as well. So you see what we have over here. So actually pretty cool. Also this women's health, if you need it, alarms, stopwatch, timer as well. You see also the timer system is also very nice on this watch, and it can run in the backgrounds obviously as well. So you see if I go do something else, so it's the timer is still actually running in the background. Flashlight, so I already showed you that. We can measure the decibels here as well. So how do we do it? Yep, hey. So yeah, it measures. Okay, so find your phone function. Also we can take pictures as well, remotely on your phone camera as well. So dual time, bunch of settings, watch butler. So I think this is some kind of like basically like a guide on how to use this watch, so like a tips. So also bunch of settings here. By the way, also we can set up always on display as well on this, and we have various gesture controls here as well if you need. So you see you can also like answer calls by simply like shaking the watch. So yeah, how cool is this? And yeah, overall when it comes to system, I think the system performance is absolutely fantastic on this watch. Also, if you want to change watch face, again, we would simply press and hold, and then you can choose from different watch face. So these are the some that we have, but we can also go in the phone app to download more. And finally, also let's check out the phone app. So when we launch it, you can see your history for the step count here, calories and stuff like that. Also you can see the history for the previous days as well. Exercise records, so you can see where you have been essentially. So your map. Also like the training effect here. A bunch more things. And also as you see you have basically a place where you can see all these training plans and also maybe customize them as well. And we can manage the watch here, various settings, also change the watch face over here. So you see you can simply like download these and send over to the watch. That is actually a very decent choice over there. Also make sure to enable the notifications for the apps you want to receive over here. So again, we have to do this manually. And also see you can also like yeah, basically these are some guides basically how to transfer over content basically this watch. So the image, videos, maps, and also add contacts here. And also yeah, also you can enable the continuous heart rate monitoring here as well if you need, and bunch more things. And also your profile here as well. And overall, is a new Tang T5 actually worth it, and should you maybe get this watch? Well, I can highly recommend this watch, because if you actually look at the price of this watch, it's absolutely insane what we are getting. So literally dual band GPS, also offline maps, music storage, also top of the line build quality, also excellent screen, also very nice speakers, and also the sensors are actually fairly decent as well on this watch for its price. Really no other watch in the market actually offers what this does. And again, if you want to get this watch for the cheapest possible price, simply check out the special discount link in the description. So first you have to click on that link and also enter the coupon code. So simply check out the description. I will basically show you how you can actually get this watch for absolutely crazy price. So literally $60 only at the moment. But again, this is only like very limited offer that this company actually sent me over. So it will only run for very limited time. After that, again, this watch actually normally only costs like 120 essentially. So even if this offer ends and you can only get for 120, I think still this watch is absolutely insane for what it offers. So if you look at other watches in the market to get everything basically this watch has, you probably usually have to spend maybe like $400 or $500, especially if you want to also get a watch which has got this kind of insane flashlight as well. So yeah, even for 120, I think this watch, even that price is like totally worse. But at 60, yeah, absolutely insane. Anyway, good luck.